Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about divergence theorem and prove its applications. First, consider a region where A vector is outward flux through this surface around this volume. So, can I hear you? First, see this first equation. Consider a region where A vector is the outward flux through the surface around this volume. Here, divergence theorem states that the total outward flux of a vector field through the any closed surface of the divergence of that vector. So here volume integral of divergence of that vector. So divergence means what? It is the measure of quantity of flux emanating from the region. So here it is a volume. From that volume, how much flux is getting generated towards the surface? That is the concept. So we can mention like this. Volume integral of del dot A dV is equal to closed surface S A dot ds. So this is the divergence theorem equation. Next, the surface integral of this normal components of A vector is equal to the volume integral of divergence of that vector. Both are equal. We can consider surface. The same can be written in terms of volume by using a divergence concept. So here divergence theorem relates surface integral and volume integral. So here divergence theorem relates what more? Surface integral and volume integral. Next we are going to see the proof, the concept. How can we obtain the surface integral out of this volume integral? Okay. For that, we have to consider a vector, A vector, that is equal to the Ax vector, unit vector, Ax vector, plus Ay vector, unit vector, Ay vector, plus Az vector, unit vector, Az vector. So you can see this equation. That is del dot A is equal to dou Ax by dou x plus dou Ay by dou y plus dou Az by dou z. So that we are going to take the volume integral on both sides. Volume integral on both sides. So take the volume integral on both sides. Okay. So we have to write the equation. Volume integral of del dot A dV is equal to this equation. Here dV means volume integral. Mentioned dx, dy, dz. Here we are consider only the Cartesian coordinate system. Already we know Cartesian. What is mean by Cartesian coordinate system? Okay, ma. So already we seen this Cartesian coordinate system. So in this divergence theorem, consider only the Cartesian coordinate system x, y, z. Okay. So dv is nothing but what? Dx, dy, dz. It represents these three coordinates. So right hand side we can write volume integral of dou ax by dou x plus dou ay by dou y plus dou az by dou z into dx, dy, dz. So this volume integral as well as this term is common for all these three components dx, dy and dz. That is x component, y component and z component. So we can write down the this expression like this. That is volume integral of dou ax by dou x dx, dy, dz is equal to plus volume integral of dou ay by dou y dx, dy, dz plus volume integral of dou z, dz, dx, dy, dz. So first all of you listen, and then after completing this proof, you have to write this equation. Okay, mama? So we can consider this is the first equation. Okay, mama? So this is first equation. So next we are going to take this term alone and solve this term. Likewise, we can obtain the solution for these two equations and then substitute these values in the first equation. So to get this volume integral of this divergence of A vector. Okay, mama? So A vector. So first we have to take the volume integral of dou Ax by dou x dx dy dz, the term. So in this one, what I am having to do, I am going to take this one or alone first. So surface integral, that is double integral, and I am going to take this part. So we can cancel this to dx dx. We get dou Ax. Integral of dou Ax is nothing but Ax only. So correct? Integral of dou t is nothing but t only. Right? So same thing. Integral of dou Ax is nothing but Ax, and dou Ay is also Ay, and same thing dou Az. So here this dy and dz is nothing but the components of x surface, component of x surface. Okay, mama? So we can rewrite the term as volume integral of Ax is dy dz. This is nothing but dsx. So dy dz is nothing but what, ma? The components of x surface. Okay, wow. So we can rewrite this like this equation, that is dou integral of Ax is equal to dsx. Okay, mama? So similarly, we can get volume integral of dou Ay dou y dx dy dz is equal to, again we can take this dy here. Okay, ma? Move this dx, which is equal to this side. So this will become dy dz. So cancel, dy cancel, we can get volume integral of dou Ay. So we will get only Ay. So the remaining term dx dz is called as the y components of the surface area. Okay. So this dx and the dy, the components of y surface. Okay, mama? So we can consider the third equation. This one is the third equation. Likewise, we can get volume integral of dou z dx dy dz becomes the same way. So we can obtain surface integral of Az ds. Okay, mama? So I will write the three equations. Here we can see a volume integral of dou Ax by dou x dx dy dz is equal to surface integral of Ax dsx. Similarly, volume integral of dou Ay by dou y dx dy dz is equal to surface integral of Ay and dsy. Volume integral of dou Ax dou z dx dy dz, which is equal to surface integral of Az into dsz. So, okay, mama. The next, we can get all these three equations. Now we are going to substitute the second, third, and fourth equation in our first equation. These are all the second, third, fourth equation. Then these three equations substitute in first equation. So what is the first equation? So that is volume integral of del dot A dv is equal to volume integral of each component. So that can be replaced like this. Okay, wow. So x component can be written like this. Dx. Okay, wow. So y component and z component also similarly we have to write likewise. Okay, mama. So that we can get the equation volume integral of del dot A dv is equal, triple integral of del dot A dv is equal to volume integral of dou ax by dou x plus dou ay by dou y plus dou az by dou z dx dy dz. Already we have derived, so ax dsx, substitute ax 2, 3, 4th equations, ax dsx plus ay dsy plus az dsez. So we can get, totally we have to write these equations. Integral of a dot ds. So now we can write the double integral is common for all. So we can write, take it outside. So del x dsx plus ax dsx plus ay dsy plus az dsez. Okay, va? So we know that this ax, ay, az is coming under a vector. Okay. So these three surfaces or areas are grouped together to make the closed surface for that region. So we can simply mention that as the ds. So I can write this here a dot ds. So the volume integral of divergence of that vector field is equal to the surface integral of the normal component of a vector. Okay, Mama? So I repeat again. So the volume integral of divergence of that vector field is equal to the surface integral of the normal component of a vector. So that the proved by this way. So this is the divergence theorem. Okay, Mama. So the divergence theorem. Next we have to see the applications of divergence theorem. Divergence theorem applies time varying and static fields. So mainly it is used to convert the volume integral of a vector into a closed surface integral. So we can easily convert volume to surface or surface to volume. This concept is widely used in the field of engineering in electrostatics and fluid dynamics. Okay, Mama. So especially to derive any mathematical relationship, we can use this divergence theorem. We are widely using this concept to obtain the Maxwell's equations in electromagnetic theory. Next unit, we will see the Maxwell's equation. So also we have to use this applications. So first we have to see the divergence theorem. What is mean by divergence theorem? And next we have to see the proof. And then what are the applications of the divergence theorem? So all of you, I think all of you understand. Any doubt, ask me. I will clear you. Okay, Mama. So today class over. So thank you, students. Next we will see the next class. Thank you.